What's up, guys? We got a little bit of a different camera angle today, so I'm going to see how well this works. I got to replace my door handle here because this thing is freaking just all kinds of broken, and so it's going to be fun stuff. And we'll check out this new camera angle, and then we'll see how you guys like it, or even if I like it, I don't know. But I just wanted to do something different besides what I was doing, so we'll figure this thing out, huh? And then see how she goes. Yeah, gotta love that. These normally just pop off. Yeah, there we go. Poppity pop pop, pop pop. This bad guy right here. Come on, get in there. She pops off. She pops off. Oh man. I love how, like, when you watch people on here and they're like, oh yeah, it pops right off. I'm like, no, it doesn't. Oh my god, dude. These things are a pain in the booty. Struggle is real, man. Struggle is real. God, this thing does not want to come off. Gonna have to speed this part up, huh? There we go. Look at that. Finally got it off. All these other videos are like, oh my god, yeah, oh well, that's fucking whatever. Doesn't really matter anyway on some of these things when they... Trying to remember how this one comes off. Oh, there we go. Oh. Okay, there we go. I got this thing on there. Then you just... Oh my goodness. Why does that not want to come off? Came off the other side just fine, but then this side. Jeez. I don't understand. Like, what are we doing here? There we go. Jeez. Struggle is real, man. I need a screwdriver. Hopefully this one works. I need a thicker one. Oh, I'm gonna have to. There we go. Hopefully this one's off. Gotta fix these stupid doors, man. Gotta roll this window down before I do like a whole lot more, but. Oh, I guess I should have thought of that. Well, I guess I can do it from the other side. It's alright. If this was the driver window, it'd be a pain, because then if you take the switch out, you can't roll the freaking window down, but Being it's on the passenger side, I can still roll it down from the driver's side. Man, these things are freaking not very happy to be in there, huh? Now I gotta roll this window down. I mean, you guys might be able to see I changed this up a little bit, but we might go over that again later. But let's see here. Oh, I didn't hit the unlock button. I gotta fix this door too. Oh, I did not hit the unlock. Oh my goodness. Kind of funny, right? Always something. These older rigs are fun. Okay, so are you kidding me? Well, that's stupid. So I gotta plug that thing back in, otherwise. Can't even. I figured the switch would have just worked, but whatever, right? Yay, it worked. Shouldn't have had to do that, but you figure it would have just worked on its own, but whatever. That's not what I want. There you go. Okay, now we want to pop this sucker out. Oh, what? Somebody put a screw in this door. That's fun. That's why you're supposed to use put the correct things back in it, and you don't have to worry about that. Everybody always wants to do the easy fix of just putting screws in things, but then it does. Then you don't look. I don't hope it is. Oh yeah, they just got to put the things back in it. But oh my goodness. Okay, so let's see here. What do we got? Another screw in here? No. Oh, there we go. Freaking stupid. Pop the door panel off. And then we got a bajillion little 6mm screws. Oh, I'm gonna have to take. I gotta pop all these off too. Let me get my plier, my deal here. Where did they go? Oh yeah. Get this metal deal. That way it's a little bit. Stupid door, stay open. Nope. God, I feel like about break your arm trying to put a battery in this thing. What is going on here? There we go. I think it's like a 6mm. What did I just do with that? Freaking. There we go. hopefully this video turns out for you guys, because I can't really tell how we're doing, but you know what I mean. Pull those off. Pull that off. This shit don't really matter anyway. Yeah. It don't matter. Yeah. That goes there. This goes there. Why are we not doing this here? There we go. That way, when we take this panel off, the wiring can go inside and then we can get it off. Should be like a 6 mil, I think. I don't know. It's the oddball 7. Lucky number 7. This door panel is in a lot better shape than the driver's side. Somebody has been here before, which is a no-brainer, but let's see. We got one more extra. I don't know why they throw in that one extra size big bolt. Like, oh, we're gonna have this, and then we're gonna have like a 10 mil. Yep, 10 mil. Stupid. Just doesn't make sense, does it? So, oh, one more. Missed it. Let's see. Okay, so put that up there. What do we got going on here? There we go. So what do we got going on, Bobby? We need to that metal popper deal here. There we go. Pop that out of there. Stupid. There we go. Pop that out of there. God, I just can't even. There we go. It didn't quite want to come to you. We can't get a wiggle. I don't know what you guys can see right now. I really hope this works where you guys can see what I'm doing, but I don't know. This thing is being a pain in the butt. See, this is the shit, the stuff they don't tell you. They're like, oh, it's so easy. It just pulls right out. Just do it, guys. Where's the plug? What in the world? Somebody got rid of this plug. Oh, never mind. I was like, can't even see it. There we go. See, there we go. That's why we did that. Because when we do this, then we gotta slide the get that off. Oh my goodness. Well, I guess we don't really need to. We can set this right here like that, but it does make it a little bit better. This guy can go there. Oh, I'm gonna need tape is what I need so I can get this lock off. Cause I gotta do this guy right there, which is gonna be 10 mil. Don't want to confuse the bolts, right? And then there's one more bolt right back. I don't know, you guys probably can't even see it, but one more bolt I gotta get to. I don't know if it's 10 mil or if it's... I forgot to grab the tape to hold this window up, but... What is going on here? What in the world? There we go. Shit. Oh, it's not in the groove is why. Why are we not in the groove? Oh, it's because that bolt is out. That's why we're having so much trouble with that one. Oh my gosh. Stupid. This window does not want to go back in there. Actually, that's probably going to be easier anyway. Yeah, there we go. That makes it easier anyway. Just get to the bolt. I don't know if that's a... Oh shoot. Got my camera angle here. What was I doing? Oh yeah. See if it's a... Okay, so... I don't know. I hope you guys can see. There we go. You are not my friend. Gotta get these freaking clips off. There we go. So that goes on the top side. So now we can okay, that one's there. And then we take this guy. It's funny how they don't. There's the lock mechanism. Let's see. Now we got to pop this guy off. Which I need a little pick for that because that's not gonna work. Okay, so gotta quit holding everything so close to me so you guys can see it. Pull this guy out like that. I hope this video is not a bust for you guys. I hope that you guys can see it. Now I need to squeeze it. Things are a pain in the booty. Okay, so we don't need every door open right now, do we? Ah. Okay, so this is the old one. This is the new one. Oh, what? Huh. So there's no way for that to... So I'm gonna have to use the old one then, huh? Because... Oh no, it's shaped the same way. That's weird. It's weird. Oh, I don't know why I'm overthinking it. Overthinking it. Just get in there. Just put it in there. I thought it wasn't gonna work, but it's gonna work. It's gonna work, Captain. We got it all figured out. Then we're gonna shove it back in there. And then we're gonna have a door handle. That's what we're gonna have. I don't do windows, dearie. I just don't. And then see this one. Looks to me that they... Oh my goodness. Oh, okay, that's why we got it in there. We give it a good poke. And that's supposed to hold it in there. Like so. But then that one What is going on here? Let me make sure what we're doing here, because I don't like door handles. Oh my God. Does not want to go in there, does it? Well, let's see if we can get these in there from the, get these locks on from this side, which a lot of times are not the greatest. Keep trying to move my head, and then you guys can't see what I'm doing either. God, this thing is just ridiculous. God. Oh, did I get it? I think I got it. Where did my ratchet go? Why do I not? Oh, I'm blind. Yay, maybe it'll work, let's see. Or I'm just doing this for nothing, right? These bolts just not long enough now, or what's the deal? There we go. I gotta loosen the other one again so I can start this one. Let's see. Righty tighty, lefty loosey, right? Tighten that sucker up. I really hope it's in there. Yay, see that? It's working. It's working. Oh my God, now I gotta fix this window. Because this window is poopy. Struggle is real. God, this thing does not want. There we go. There we go. Okay. So that needs to go like so. And this guy, I don't know why this guy even needed to come out. You know what I mean? Like, that's this big bolt though, but the door can't go back on. I don't know, it's just weird how they did that, but whatever. Now, these need to go up here. This needs to slide. Back in there. That needs to slide back in there. Oh my gosh. Oh. So now the main bolt I want to get in there first is that window, so that way it'll line the window back up again. Maybe that'll help align it. God, this freaking ratchet. Mother effer. God damn it. I just... What is going on now? Oh, stupid. See, these are the problems. Nobody... Come on. Get off. wow, it totally broke that sucker off. Well, I don't have time to mess with that right now, so I'm just gonna put the rest of these suckers in there. Oh, is that the 7mm? Oh, I guess it is. I thought it was the bigger one. This was somebody else's car, I would not do that, but being it's my car, I don't care. But yeah, it's just silly. I'm just showing you guys, you know, how to replace the door handle, but it just sucks that thing freaking did that. Let's see here. There's that. And now we can put the door handle back on. Well, let's just, there we go. Yeah, funny. Oh man, I love it. Getting ahead of myself, and I did not plug this in. Oh my gosh. If you're not doing it twice, you're not doing it right, right? Oh my gosh. So stupid. I'm not thinking. Just getting ahead of myself here. Let's see. So dumb. Now these speakers look like they're freaking 100 years old, man. Probably gonna be a way longer video than it should have been, but motherfucker, her mother effer, shouldn't have said that. There we go. Now we can put her back together. Yay. Silly. Now we can put her back together. Oh, it's getting hot out here. Figured it'd be a 5-minute job, but I mean, realistically, if everything wasn't all messed up, it'd be like a 5-minute job, but 900 of these little screws. I don't know why they couldn't came up with a better solution than all these screws to go in this door. Where am I missing one here? Man, I see it like... Got one more. There we go. Okay, so now we can do this. Oh, this goes for the door light. Why is... suckers up, man. Why is it not? Need to get new door panels. Why are we not? There we go. I was like, what is going on? I don't like using these things, but this old truck has seen better days, but trying to fix what I can when I can. Eventually it'd be nice to you know, get new door panels and stuff like that, but that stuff's a lot of money. I guess even, well, I guess if I went to a junkyard it wouldn't be bad, but This video is probably freaking an hour long, which is silly. Hopefully the window goes up and down. I guess I should have checked that, but we'll see when I get done putting that in right there, huh? Because this thing just pops in and out anyway, so it doesn't really matter, right? Right. Got to plug in my tweeter. I don't know. I hope that you guys could see what I was doing, because I'm gonna be mad if I have to, or I just wasted a whole video. Well, might help if I turn the key on, huh? Yeah, look at that. Boom. Shakalaka. Okay, so slips in there. That slips in there. That slips in there, and then boom. Now I have a good door handle that's not broken. Well, thank you guys for watching, and we will holler at you on the next one.